I'm giving you a quiz on your B and V sounds in English. I'm going to show you 2 words, and I want you to figure out which word it is that I am pronouncing. Let's go. Our first word is berry. Berry. Which word am I pronouncing here? I hope you got this one right. It's berry. Berry. Now our other word is very. You can see how my teeth touch my bottom lip. But for berry, which is the word I pronounced, my lips go in. Berry. Our next word is this one. Van. 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 Which word am I pronouncing? You got it. This one is van. Our next word is best. 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 Which word am I pronouncing here? I hope you got this one. Best. You see my lips going in. I'm making that B sound in best. Not to be confused with vest. I'm saying best. Next we have vote. 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 Which word am I pronouncing here? I hope you got this one right. This is vote. Now we have bent. 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 Which word am I pronouncing here? I'm sure you got this one. Bent has that B sound. You see my lips going in again. Bent. Remember, for the B sound, the lips go like that to say bent, ban, boat. When you have the V sound, the top teeth are hitting the bottom lower lip. Vote, van, etc. Keep practicing. I will see you next time.